Gede, a historical area located in the southeastern part of Yogyakarta, known as one of the cultural and historical centers in Indonesia. Kota Gede, famous for its classic and unique architecture, which reflects an old Javanese culture. Ancient building structure with beautiful carving and distinctive ornament is relatively common in Kota Gede.
Rumah Gede UGM, one of the famous tourist attractions in Kota Gede, Yogyakarta, showcases the classic and unique architecture of classic Javanese with the uniqueness of a local culture. Rumah UGM is designed in the style of a joglo house, forms of traditional Javanese architecture. Rumah UGM reserves a vast amount of unique, traditional, and historical objects, displaying the rich heritage and history of Kota Gede. Rumah UGM is currently maintained and cared for by Mrs. Muharjo, ensuring the house remains in perfect condition. Rumah UGM is living proof of this city and its past, with its infrastructure, unique collection, soothing atmosphere, and much more. Thanks to its pristine condition of the place, we could always come here to see this beautiful place to this day.
But the uniqueness of Kota Gede is not only Rumah UGM. Not far from it, there is a place called Between Two Gates, a small alleyway filled with a traditional Javanese house architecture. When visiting this place, we will be greeted with a unique-looking gate with its traditional Javanese structures and decorated with detailed patterns.
Walking through these gates is like stepping back in time. The gate, the walls, the house, the ornament, the road, and the sign, all of which feels like a time capsule of a world of different era. When we're walking along this alleyway, we will find a quiet and calm atmosphere with a clean sight of the pavement, no trash, and no noisy sound.
There are only few households in this alleyway. They maintain and care for this place so that tourists can visit this place at any time. They are humble and communicative and even let people to visit their house as long as they are respectful. There are rules that apply in this place to be considered. First, dress politely and modest. Don't use revealing clothes. Don't be noisy. Always ask for permission to film or take photo if you do a big project. All vehicles should be turned off when entering this alleyway and do not behave badly or disturb peace around the place. As long as we follow these rules, we can roam around freely.
At the end of the alleyway, there is a coffee shop called Longkang Kota Gede. There, the unique aspect about Longkang Kota Gede is the building used by Longkang Kota Gede has been standing since around 1840. Therefore, the vintage style of building stuck with the coffee shop until this day. The interior of Longkang Kota Gede become one of interesting point of this place.
Entering Longkang Kota Gede, we are greeted with a warm and cozy atmosphere, vintage decoration, antique furniture, and comfortable space for relaxation after a day of exploring. Longkang Kota Gede offers a traditional and classic Javanese ambient with a variety of unique beverages and snack or food.